Hello everyone, I am Dr. Rupali Shinde. Today we will discuss the topic marketing concept. First, we know the background of marketing. The term marketing is derived from the word marketers, which refer to the group of sellers and buyers that cooperate the exchange goods and services. The modern concept of marketing evolved during and after the industrial revolution in the 19th and 20th century. What is marketing? Marketing is the management process which identifies anticipation and supplies customer requirement efficiently and profitability. In other words, it is the process of understanding, creating and delivering profitability value to the target customers better than the competition. Its aim is to establish, maintain, enhance long-term relationship with customer as a profit so that the objectives of the parties involved are met. In short, marketing consists of attracting, developing, and retaining profitability customer. Peter Drucker says, marketing cannot be considered as a separate function. It is the whole business seen from the point of view of its final result, that is a profit to customer satisfaction. The American Marketing Association defined the process of planning and execution of conception, pricing, promotion, distribution of ideas, goods, and services to create exchange that satisfy individual and organizational objectives. The Chartered Institute of Marketing defined the management process responsible for identifying, anticipating, and satisfying customer requirement profitability. Philip Kotler says, marketing is a satisfying need that wants through an exchange process. Importance of marketing. Marketing promotes product awareness to the public. Marketing helps to boost product sales. Marketing builds company reputation. Types of marketing. Web marketing involve payback click, social network, microblogs, mobile advertising, and etc. Offline marketing involve direct mail, cold calling, referral, events, incentives, networking, TV, radio, and print ads. Mouth, words of mouth marketing. Marketing system involve industry produce the product, send to the market, and market give the feedback. Marketing concept love the customer, not the product. General advantages of marketing. An obvious advantages of marketing is promotion of your business, getting the recognition and attention of your target audience across the world, ranging or specific market. Going hand in hand with this is the enhanced brand recognition. Or over time, potential customer and member of the public will begin to associate your logo and your brand with your business. Every business needs to spend money to make money. Investing in marketing is no different. In most important advantages of marketing is therefore quite simple, improving the business profit by boosting sale. Disadvantages of marketing. The first disadvantages of marketing in general is a cost. Advertising and marketing cost money. If you don't do the proper research, then you might end up throwing money away. Wasting marketing efforts by targeting the wrong audience using an inappropriate medium would be a serious and costly mistake. So it is important to do your research beforehand and keep your cost to minimum. As well, as well as the financial cost, marketing your business will require investment of time, researching the appropriate marketing strategies, designing and writing the advertise, getting them published, dealing with any response. It's important to spend time keeping track of how successful or not your marketing campaign is. Potential disadvantages of marketing here is the risk of time waste for your unsuccessful campaign. Research show that people in general have to see a piece of information between 3 and 30 times before it sink in. So the obvious disadvantages of marketing here is the fact that your marketing campaign will need to go ongoing and consist, increasing cost and time spent on it. This is where drip marketing comes in. Thank you for watching video.